Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can extend the validity of your 900 series SIN number when you are on a temporary permit in Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask guys. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, let's say you are here on work permit and you have applied for an extension and it has been approved. So the very first thing you need to do here is the easiest way to get it done is to visit a Service Canada location physically. But because of the current COVID-19 situation, a lot of people are not feeling comfortable going in there, and also a lot of offices are working under restricted and reduced conditions. So that is why if you have access to internet, you can do it easily on your own. So although it may take some time to get the confirmation letter in your mail. So the very first thing is to select the application type. I have opened the official page from the Government of Canada site. Change of expiry date. Now here in this first column we need to provide applicant information. So let's say there is an applicant whose name is John Smith and is filling this form. So I'm going to put some random information. This red mark means that field is mandatory. So I just filled some random information here. Language of correspondence, I select English. Gender, then applicant's birthplace, I select it. Province, territory, state, okay, I'll write it. Let's say he was born in New Delhi, India, and he is an Indian citizen. So that's why I wrote Delhi here. Mailing address in care of if different from applicant's name. So I'm just gonna put a random address here. So I just put in a sample address. I don't even know if this exists or not. Now let's go to the second column, applicant's family name at birthplace, at birth, I'm sorry. So generally this remains same, but sometimes especially in case of women, those who change their surnames after or family name after marriage, so in that case this comes with different values. Otherwise values in these fields remain same as here. So I'm going to include the same names. So here applicant parent names are required. One is mandatory, one is not, but why to hide? So let's say John Smith's parents name are Peter Smith and Joanna Smith. So I'm entering those names. Is the applicant currently residing in Canada? I selected yes. Applicant status in Canada, temporary resident. Social insurance, and did the applicant ever applied for social insurance number? So when you are extending, change of expiry date, definitely you have applied. If yes, provide the 9-digit number. So I'm gonna just write a random number. I don't know if that will be accepted or not. I just put this number. Let me see if it is gonna be accepted or not. Anyway, we are not gonna submit it. If it does any validation, okay. So it did not do any validation. I think probably just based on a digit. Alright, so checklist of mandatory documents. So you can click on these and find out what documents are required, and then you can upload the documents. Click on add files and upload, and you can select supported documents if required. If not, if the name indicated on a primary or secondary document is different from the name you are currently using, you must also provide. So if it is required, then only you need to be. Are you applying for yourself? Yes. You need to provide your name, and they have also said what documents you need to. Once you upload, you got to acknowledge and submit it, and it will not be processed if documents are not provided. Okay, so and once you are done through it, click on submit. So I'm not going to do this because this is a sample video to show you, but in your actual you are going to do. So thanks for watching this guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes to your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.